Hello, I'm Louisa, and I'm going to show you how to do an 1860s evening hairstyle. I've seen lots of demonstrations for daytime hairstyles, which is the simple parting and in a bun at the back, but I wanted to do something a little different and a sort of pretty evening hairstyle. I've found not very much on the internet, which is why I'm doing this video, and because I found not very much, Uh, this is my version and how I've interpreted the pictures that I'd like to copy. First thing to do is to divide my hair up. The front is now divided into two, and I'm going to put the rollers in to give it a bit of a curl. There we go. Very attractive, I know. But while these cool down, which should take about half an hour, I'm just going to do the bun at the back of my head. I could put all of the hair here in rollers as well and do a slightly different style, but I'm going to be short of time and this is the easiest way I think I can do this. It's not brilliant, but it's a bun. Maybe I'll try some different ways of doing it with plaiting the back and twisting it round. Because I've got such thick hair, my options are kind of limited. But I'll get back to you when these are cooled down. Hello, I'm back, and these have now cooled down, and I've also stuck with the plaited version, lots of hairspray, and that seems to be holding up quite well for the back. I think it looks nicer than the bun. So let's take all these down and finish off. So to create the large poof here, I don't know if you can see that like that, you can either do lots of backcombing or you can use a hair rat. And I took apart one of those little donuts and then I just rolled it back up again to make little hair rats. I've pinned it just above my ear in front of the parting line. I think these are roughly even, and as long as the little hair rats are covered and you feel secure with your pins, I think that will do. Now I'm going to add my hair pieces. I know I've got enough hair to do it all myself, but if I can pre-make something, then it makes life a lot quicker. So I pre-made these from hair that I had cut off just after lockdown when my hair was super long. They're just like those, and I've put these funny little grips. So hopefully that will go here somewhere. Just have a quick check. It's about right. I also made a hairpiece that's also got these funny little grips to hold it on. Well, I hope that was helpful for you if you're going to be doing something similar. And now I'll put my dress on and we can see it all together. And here is the finished look. Thank you for watching.